Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be explaining everything you need to understand about cutoff mark. I guess the issue of cutoff mark has been going viral. Like so many students have been coming up with their different cutoff marks. So I'll be explaining everything you need to understand about cutoff mark. I guess so please listen and watch carefully. So the first thing you need to understand is we have different cutoff marks. I guess we have different cut-off marks. So meaning we have JAMB cut-off mark, we have school cut-off mark, and we have departmental cut-off mark. So this is the first thing you need to understand. Okay, we have JAMB cut-off mark, we have school cut-off mark, and we have departmental cut-off mark. I get it. So let's start from JAMB cut-off mark. Okay, JAMB cut-off mark. JAMB is a board. I guess JAMB is a board, Joint Admission and Matriculation Board, right? So meaning JAMB is a board. I guess so they are the ones in charge of setting the UTME exam. So listen. Okay, let's start from JAMB cut-off mark. Let's say JAMB board, they come together, they plan and concluded that their cut-off mark for this year is 140. Are you getting it? Let's say JAMB cutoff mark for this year is 140. So meaning that is the JAMB cutoff mark, right? Now listen, one thing you need to understand is once JAMB cutoff mark is out, not all schools will adapt or accept that cutoff mark. Are you getting it? So this is what you should understand. Not all schools will accept JAMB cutoff mark. Are you getting it? Let me like by percentage, let me see, like by 50-50. I guess 50% of the universities across the country, they might accept it. I guess yes, it's sure they will accept the JAMB cutoff mark as their school cutoff mark. Secondly, 50% of the universities might not. Yes, it's compulsory. They will not accept the JAMB cutoff mark. I getting it. So please take note. Once JAMB cutoff mark is out, okay, not all schools will accept that cutoff mark. So many schools will be coming up with their own or with different cutoff mark. I guess it. So let's say JAMB cutoff mark is 140. Most schools will be coming out like, okay, since JAMB cutoff mark is 140, let's make our own. Okay, my school cutoff mark is 150 or 160, or it can be 180, 190, 200, depending on that particular university. Are you getting the points now? So please take note. Now, so many students have been asking this particular question. Okay, so meaning if JAMB cutoff mark is 140, does it mean if my JAMB score is up to 140, I can use 140 to study my dream course? Oh my God. Okay, let me respond. My answer to this particular question is when they play. Yes, like yes, you dey play, like seriously. Like see question wey student dey ask. Your JAMB score is 140 and you want to, okay, let's say you applied for medicine, like you want to study medicine and your JAMB score is 140. So meaning you want to use 140 to apply for medicine, right? Like you want to use 140, like play, like you are being serious. You want to use 140 to study medicine, abi? So the truth of the matter is JAMB score is different from school cutoff mark. I get me, like JAMB cutoff mark is different from school cutoff mark, and also school cutoff mark is different from departmental cutoff mark. So I get me. So this is what you should understand. So I've explained the parts of JAMB cutoff mark, right? Now let's come to school cutoff mark. Now I said once JAMB cutoff mark is out, I said not all schools will be accepting that JAMB cutoff mark, right? Let me use a popular school like Uniben. Are you getting it? Let's say JAMB cutoff mark, like the board, they come together and they accepted, like they concluded that their cutoff mark, like JAMB cutoff mark for this year is 140. Now Uniben we say, okay, since JAMB cutoff mark is 140, let's make our own to be 180. I get it. I'm just citing examples so you understand where I'm going. So Uniben come up, they said, okay, since JAMB cutoff mark is 140, let's make our own 180. I get it. So meaning that before you can apply for UniBank post UTME exam, your JAMB score must be up to 180. Are you getting it? So meaning if your score is not up to 180, you cannot apply for UniBank post UTME exam. Are you getting it now? So this is what you should understand. So any school you applied for, like if your school is writing post UTME, please take note before you buy their post UTME form. Make sure you figure out. Are you getting it? Make sure you know their current general, like the school cutoff mark before you purchase their post UTME form. This is the school cutoff mark I'm talking about, meaning that school cutoff mark is different from JAMB cutoff mark. Are you getting it now? So please take note. Okay, so schools like Uniport will be coming out with their own this thing cutoff mark. Are you getting it? But still yet 50% of the universities will still accept JAMB cutoff mark as their school cutoff mark. But the rest 50 to 60% they will ignore it and they will come up with their own school cutoff mark. Are you getting it? So before you can apply for like if your school is writing post UTME, so before you can apply for your school post UTME exam, please take note, you must know their current school cutoff mark, not the JAMB cutoff mark. Know the school cutoff mark. Are you getting it? For that particular year before you purchase the post UTME form. Okay, so you won't waste money at the end. Okay, so please take note. Now the third thing is departmental cutoff mark. Now listen, there is something we call department and faculty. I get it. There is something we call department and faculty. Now, when it comes to university, you understand this thing better. Now, let me just explain a little bit. Now, listen. Let's say you want to study chemistry. I get it. Like you want to study chemistry. You know, chemistry is a course on its own in university. I get it. Let's say you want to study this in chemistry, or you want to study physics, or you want to study mathematics, or you want to study geology, or you want to study microbiology, or computer science. I get it. You know, all these courses are under a particular faculty. Are you getting it? So please take note again. So meaning that in the university, a faculty, so take note, meaning that in university, a faculty contains like 5 to 6 departments. Are you getting it? So if you want to study computer science, that is your department. Are you getting it? If you want to study this in chemistry, that is your department. Are you getting it? So nursing, medicine, pharmacy, med lab, physiology, anatomy, radiography, all these courses are under a faculty. Are you getting it now? All this. So a faculty can contain up to 4 to 5 departments. Meaning your department is a course you want to study. Are you getting it? If you want to study nursing, that is your department. But still yet, we have all these departments are under a faculty. Are you getting it? So after the JAMB cutoff mark, after you've known your school cutoff mark, I get it. You should also know your this thing, your so I use UniBank to cite example, right? So meaning if the school cutoff mark, like if UniBank school cutoff mark is 180, that doesn't mean that if your JAMB score is up to 180, you can use that score to study, or you can use that score to apply for medicine, nursing, med lab. No, that is not the meaning. I get it. That school cutoff mark is specific, meaning that that is the general school cutoff mark. Meaning before you can apply for their post UTME exam, if that school is writing post UTME, I get it. So meaning before you can apply for their post UTME exam, you must get up to the school cutoff mark. Are you getting it? You must get up to the school cutoff mark before you can apply for their post UTME exam. So after that, you have the departmental cutoff marks. Let's say you want to study medicine. medicine has its own cutoff mark in the school. I get it. It can be 250. Some schools is from this thing. Medicine is from some schools. Medicine is from 250 upward. Some schools is from 280 upward. Some schools is from 300 upward. So depending on that particular school. So please take note. Okay. So know your departmental cutoff mark. I get it. It's very important. But in general, if your score is not up to 200, don't even think of studying any medical course in this country. Yes, not like, don't even think of it. Like your score is scored 180, you are still asking if you can use that score to apply for medicine, nursing, no, no, or med lab, no, no, no. I get it. So please take note. Even if your score is up to 200, is not enough because medical courses like there is a lot of competition, like there is big competition there. I guess no. So let's say like your score is 220 or 230 or two, let me say 200, and thousands of students scored like 250 upward, meaning like you are competing with those set of students that scored this in 250 upward, 280, 200 upward. I guess me. So and some students will be asking, okay, what if like my JAMB score is 220? What if I perform well in post-UTME exam? Won't they give me medicine? Uh, See, this type of question, like post-UTME questions are more difficult. Now, this type of questioning, this is what you should understand though. Post-UTME questions are like, they are somehow complicated compared to JAMB questions. I guess it. Post-UTME questions are not more than 50 or 40 questions, but in JAMB, your total questions are, I think, it's about 180, yes, about 180 questions. But in post-UTME, it won't be more than 40, 50 questions. It won't be more than 50 questions. I guess it. So, meaning that each subject, I guess it, in JAM you wrote four subjects, right? Four subjects here. So even post-UTME, some schools is the same subject you wrote during your JAM. Those are the same subjects. I guess you still write during your post-UTME exam. Are you getting the point now? But like I've said before, I said schools differs. I get me. Some schools we like they might add mathematics if you are in the science field. I get me. If you're in the science field, they might decide to add some maths questions. I get me. So please take notes. Okay. So meaning I said these important questions are not more than like 40 or 50 questions. I get me. So meaning that each subject um will contain like 10 questions. I get it. Like just imagine it. Just try to imagine it. Like the whole of that chemistry textbook, you'll be seeing only 10 questions. But just imagine how difficult those questions will be. Like exam chemistry, you'll be seeing like almost 40 questions, right? 40 questions. So any I tick, any I go pass. But in post-UTME, it's not like that. Post-UTME is not like that. So each subject carries 10 questions or 9 or 8 questions. That's why you have to prepare effectively. I guess me. You have to prepare like man. You have to prepare very well before you can attempt questions. I get it. So if you scored very well or if you scored low in your JAM, make sure you do better in your post-UTME exam. I guess me. Okay, so um if you have watched this video to this point, um, there is polysemy lesson that is currently going in the WhatsApp group. I get it. So if you're interested in joining, please take note. The lesson is only for science students. I get it. The lesson is only for science students. So in the group, we are dealing with physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. Four subjects. I get in chemistry, physics, maths, and biology. So if you are interested in joining, shout this number you are seeing on the screen. This is my WhatsApp number. Shout me up, okay? And when shouting me up, please go straight to the point. all these things like students are doing, good morning sir, good evening sir, good afternoon sir, I dey fine abeg, okay, I dey fine, I'm okay. So go straight to the point. So go straight to the point. I get me. Hello sir, I'm here for the positemi lesson. Simple. Are you getting it? So don't come to my gym and be writing, good morning sir, how are you? I will ignore you. That is simple because a day I'm receiving a lot of like millions of messages. I get me. So please, so take note when shouting me up, please take note, go straight to the point. I get me. So the lesson is only for science students. Shout me up fast before the group gets filled up. Oh, okay, exam is getting closer, so this is the best time for you to prepare very well. Okay, so shout me up